Hi, hello, beautiful souls. This is the first time that I'm introducing you all. By the way, my name is Kawana, and this is the longest elaborating video today I am doing. It takes a little bit of time, so that's why I'm doing it in a different way. And let's start the topic: how to build a good relationship between parents and children. And this part of the video is most crucial to everyone. The first phase, from birth to 14 years, the foundation of love and trust. This is the age children grow through observations. They learn from what you do, not what you say. Parents should spend real time with their kids, eat together, play together, talk freely, and show interest in what excites them. Don't compare your child with others. Every child grows at their own pace. When your child expresses emotions like anger, sadness, or frustration, don't shut them down. Let them speak. Teach them discipline through patience, not fear. Allow them to explore hobbies like painting, cycling, music, sports, any art they feel connected to. Teach them to compete with themselves, not with others. When they fail, don't scold. Help them reflect, learn, and try again and again. Don't force them to become what you couldn't be. Let them become who they are meant to be. Build emotional safety so that your child can tell you anything without fear. Second phase, from age 15 to 21 years, the age of self-discovery. This is a very sensitive and confusing phase. Identity, attractions, dream, fears, and pressure all exist together. Parents must be guides, not controllers. Let them make some mistakes. That's how they will learn. Encourage them to meditate, journal, and reflect. Even for daily 5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough. It builds awareness. Teach them about real friendship. People who support their growth, not drain their energy. Don't restrict them from experiencing life, but teach them how to be aware and responsible. Explain how dopamine, sleep, and phone addiction affects the mind with love, not anger. Teach money wisdom early. How to save, how to say no to unnecessary buying, and how to value gratitude. Encourage them to work part-time or learn new skill or while they are still studying in free times. So this builds confidence and self-worth. Let them express their feelings, crushes, heartbreaks, disappointments without shame. This is a part of emotional maturity. Remind them your value doesn't come from marks, followers, or money. It comes from your heart and effort. Third thing is for the parents, this message. Stop protecting your children from life. Instead, prepare them for life. Be a mirror, not a judge. Show them who they are, becoming not what they lack. Learn to say sorry when you go wrong. Children respect honesty more than perfection. Don't use your authority to silence your child's voice. Use your wisdom to understand their heart. They are a soul that chooses you to grow through love. Give them both roots and wings. Roots of values and wings of freedom. Remember, your child is not your property. And the fourth thing is the message for children. Respect your parents, but also learn to express yourself calmly. Don't expect them to understand everything. They grew up in different time. Help them in small things like cooking, cleaning errands. It teaches responsibility and care. Don't fall into trap of shortcuts or bad company. Easy road destroy your inner strength. Learn patience. Life unfolds slowly for a reason. Learn to love yourself first deeply. Only then you can love others.